Hey, welcome to this video, and in this video I'm going to introduce you with our brand new app Extreme Domain, which allows you to sell domains just like GoDaddy, Namecheap and so many other platforms without ever owning these domains. Now the cool thing about Extreme Domain is that upon your registration you are going to get your very own fully fledged cloud app. Depending on which domain name you have picked, you should get something like this: yourdomain.extremedomain.site, all with SSL and everything ready to go. This is how the page should look like, and from here your customer can search domain, they can generate domain name, they can see whois information. Also they can use reverse IP lookup, then they can see the domain location, also they can see the DNS lookup, then they can use the name finder features. So if they want to search any domain, they just need to search it here and they can see the domain is available or not. They can generate the domain name from here. Just enter a keyword and the domain name will generate. Let me show you how. If someone wants to generate domain for their online business, they need to put here the keyword and click on generate. The system will generate the domains for them, and all these domains are available. They can buy it from here and you will get the commission. Also they can see the whois information. Let's say if you want to see this website information, just put the domain here and click on get whois and you will get the information here. Then the customer can use reverse IP lookup. They just need to enter the IP address here and click on lookup. Also they can see the domain location. Just need to put here the domain name and click on get location. They will get the domain location information here. Then they can see the DNS lookup. Just need to put here the domain name. Click here and they will get the domain DNS information. Then they can use the name finder features. Just need to put here the keyword and click on get names, and the system will generate the names based on their keywords. So this is how they can use the features there. Now let's see how the admin area will look like. So this is the login page of the admin area. You need to log in with your email ID and password. Then just click on login now. So from the admin area, you can modify your Extreme Domain site and make it more profitable. You will have full control over your site and you can customize everything from the admin area. Like you can set up the general settings from here. You can change the logo, you can change the favicon, you can change your website title, footer. Then you can add custom HTML. And from the SEO settings, you can configure the SEO settings for your website. Then from the tools section, you can enable the different tools on your website or you can disable them. Then from the ad spots, you can configure the ads for the predefined ad spots on your website. From the additional asset, you can add additional CSS or JavaScript in your website. From the contact settings, you can modify the contact page settings of your website. Like here is the contact us page, you can modify it from the contact settings section. And from the API settings, you can edit the API keys for Google reCAPTCHA and exchange rate API. Then from the currency settings, you can active or deactive currency selection from here. You can enable or disable currency from here. Also you can make default currency for your website. And from the features and FAQ, you can add or remove features and FAQ from your website. Like here the FAQs, here the features of your website. Then from the header and footer links section, you can add or remove links from the header and footer of your website. You can customize your header and footer links from the admin area. Then from the TLD settings, you can configure how TLDs behave on your website. Like you can show recent searches page on header and footer. You can select it from here. You can enable or disable the appearance of price on domain search. And the most important part is that you need to modify the affiliate link for all TLDs add-ons, and you need to put here your name silo affiliate link. So whenever someone purchases a domain, you will get the commission. And then from the manage TLDs section, you can see the list of all TLDs on your website. You can enable the domain extensions from here. You can disable them. Also you can edit them or delete them. Then from the active TLDs order, you can see here the list of the active TLDs on your website. You can make any of the extensions as the main extension of your website from here. Then from the domain generator section, you can add, remove or update the TLDs for the domain generator. And from the Whois suggestions section, you can add, remove or update the suggestions for the Whois information tool. Then from the pages section, you can add pages to your website. Like this one, this is the home page, and if you want to add more pages, then just need to click on add page, and you need to put here the page details, then just click on submit, and your page will be added to your website. And to destroy the cache, you just need to click on destroy cache. It will destroy the cache from your Extreme Domain site. This is how you can use Extreme Domain site and make it more profitable from the admin area. Thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.